Okay, now I'm going to describe the characteristics that define what we call land plants. Let's further distinguish these plants into four main groups. As you become more and more familiar with these diverse organisms, your world will be opened to the beauty and magnificence of the creations around you. These are large groups that, again, have defining characteristics. As I introduce them, just listen. I'll give you a broad overview for your notes in the end. Okay, the most basic and perhaps the oldest organism that first came onto land are the mosses. These are fuzzy plants that are attached to things, rocks, trees, logs. The important characteristic that separates mosses from the other land plants is that mosses do not have vascular tissue. And what is vascular tissue, you ask? This is the tissue that transports water, nutrients, and sugars up from the soil to the rest of the plant. So mosses do not have vascular tissue. Okay, next we can distinguish ferns from the other land plants because ferns do not have seeds. So ferns do have vascular tissue, different from mosses, but they don't have seeds. Okay, next we're going to talk about conifers. Conifers bear seeds, they have seeds, but they hold their seeds in cones. Okay, they have vascular tissue, they have seeds, but they do not have the last characteristic, which is flowers. So flowering plants have flowers. So they have vascular tissue, they have seeds, and they hold their seeds in flowers. Okay. So finally, as promised, here's our conceptual model that includes the information given in this video.